Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Metapixel to Shopify for remarketing campaigns step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin account. In the Shopify admin panel, navigate to the online store section. Click on Preferences from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Facebook Pixel section. If you don't see the Facebook Pixel option, ensure you have activated the Facebook channel in Shopify. Next, log into your Facebook business account. Once logged in, go to the Events Manager page. Click on the Pixels option in the left sidebar. Select the pixel you want to use for your Shopify store or create a new one if necessary. Copy the pixel ID from the Pixel Settings page. Return to your Shopify admin panel. Paste the pixel ID into the Facebook pixel field in the Preferences section. After pasting, click Save at the bottom of the page. Next, you'll want to verify that your pixel is working correctly. To do this, download the Facebook Pixel Helper extension for Google Chrome. Once installed, navigate to your Shopify store's frontend. Open the Pixel Helper tool to see if your pixel is firing correctly. If your pixel is active, you should see a green indicator. If you encounter any issues, double-check your pixel ID and ensure it matches. Now, return to Facebook Business. Go to the Events Manager to create custom audiences based on your pixel data. Select Custom Audiences and click on the Create Audience button. Choose the type of audience you wish to create, like website visitors or specific events. Define the audience criteria based on your remarketing goals. After configuring your audience, click Create Audience to save your settings. Now you are ready to set up your remarketing campaigns. Head over to the Facebook Ads Manager and create a new campaign. Select your marketing objective that aligns with your remarketing strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.